road to Istanbul has been exciting. Sydney and Melbourne, it was great for me. It was a great start to the season. I love Australia. Wimbledon was tough for me. I had pressure on my back as a defending champion, but I did very well. I lost against Serena. It was a great match for me. The Olympic is something what I love to play, be as a part of Czech Republic. It was something special for me. After Olympic, I left to Montreal. I did very well actually. I had a great summer here in this, North America. I won 2 titles and 1 semi, but it's great for me. That's a great result, and I hope to continue. I'm so excited to play at TEP BNP Paribas WTA Championships Istanbul. See you in Istanbul.